วัสดีครับ MTC Welcome to Thailand.
Hello everybody at MTC, it's Jono. I'm here bringing you my postcard from home. No, it's not the land of song in Wales, it's actually a different land. The land of smiles, the beautiful Thailand, which is where I currently live and teach. So Thailand, the land of smiles, is primarily known for three major things. Firstly, its bustling capital. I'm talking, of course, about Bangkok, which is where I live and teach at the moment. You can also find the most incredible, beautiful temples there and the best street food you will ever be likely to try. I recently enjoyed Jay Faye of Netflix fame. She's from Somebody Feed Phil and Street Food. I recently enjoyed her 1,000 baht, that's 25 English pounds, crab omelette. Check this out. Secondly, Thailand is very well known for its magical mountains and its beautiful, most breathtaking jungle scenery. And particularly if you head up to the north, the rows of the north, the likes of Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, which incidentally is where a fellow MTC alumni, Mr. James Tucker, lives. So we regularly hang out and hike the waterfalls up there and make the most of the beautiful, stunning scenery and mountains. And finally, no visit to Thailand would be complete without a spot of island hopping. I'm kick-starting my summer holiday this year with a little bit of island hopping actually. I'm on Koh Tao at the moment. I'll be making my way to Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, and travelling my way around the islands. Now, it's not where I wanted to be this summer. Of course, I would much rather be at camp, enjoying Stanley Lake and Stanley Pond, but one thing that's really put my mind at rest, the fact that we have tropical weather here as well. So the storms that we've been getting in the evenings have been very reminiscent of those at camp. Check these out. Look at that. Now, if that's not reminiscent of a good old storm at Stanley Pond, Stanley Lake, I'm not sure quite what is. Beautiful. Awesome. So I wanted to finish by wishing everybody at MTC a happy, a safe and healthy summer. Enjoy, make the most of the time that you have. If you ever are in Thailand, please pop by and say hello. A few MTC alumni that have already done so come to see me in Bangkok. Mr. Tyler Thompson visited a few months ago, as did the lovely Kimbo. Much appreciated. Great to have a dose of camp. Everybody always welcome. Have a fantastic summer and look after yourselves. Take care. So if you ever are in the... Starfish.